Good evening and welcome to 200forexpips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 23rd of October 2018. Okay guys, for today's analysis I'm going to start with Euro USD, and today I have supplied the bullish signal in case of Euro USD. The entry was 11460 cent and the target price was 114921. So guys, you can see right from the entry that we have seen in the morning, the market started to break the level, and then finally it has touched the target price 114921. So those subscribers who have taken the buy positions today on this pair, they must have collected a very good profit. At next, I'm going to talk about the third pair of my signals report, which is Great Britain Pound USD. A bullish trend was supplied from 129722 and the target price was 130227. And guys, you can see from the entry we have seen a significant upward trend, and within some hours the market has hit the target price that I have supplied in my signals report, that was 130227. So if you have traded the Great Britain Pound USD in a bullish manner, then you must have collected a decent profit. Okay, now let's talk about the USDCHF. Easy signal was supplied from my side in the form of bearish trend from 099544 and the target price was 099338. And guys, you can see a good drop here right from the morning. We have seen that the market was getting weaker on USDCHF, and right now if you look at here, the market has went near to the target price. So overall, if you have taken the sell trades on this pair, then you must have collected a decent profit. Okay, I'm going to take you towards AUDUSD. A bullish signal was supplied from 070717 and the target price was 070973. And guys, you can see, first of all, we have seen a upward trend in the morning, and the market has went up to 070890, and after that we have closed the trade, but later on you can see we have a drop, and again the market has taken the U-turn, and the entry has triggered again, that was 070717, and if it continue the pattern like this, then it can go again up to 070973. So be careful with this. AUDUSD is completely in a buying zone. Okay, now let's talk about the EURJPY. A deception is seen today on this pair. I have supplied the bearish signal from 128761 and it has reacted fine in the morning from that signal, but however after 2 hours the market started to go up again, but however if it has went down up to 128208. So like 20 to 40% of the signal was expired, but later on the market started to pump up that we had to close the trade, and that went against. But right now again it's testing the level, so if it makes the bearish pattern below 128761, then again it will be back into the bearish zone. Okay, now let's talk about Great Britain Pound JPY. There was a deception again today on Great Britain Pound JPY. However, the trend was bullish from my side. 145892 was the entry, and you can see the market has went up to like 146395. So 70% of the signal was expired on that trade, but later on we have a drop on the pair, and again it's just going to retest the entry. But guys, if you have traded this 70% of the signal, then you must have collected the profit early in the morning. Okay, rest of the trades are losing and we are not going to talk about this, but overall we have done a very good job with our signals, and you must have seen through the screenshots here. Moreover, those subscribers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. Whenever you see that the market is making the bearish pattern from the top red boundary, then you can sell the pair. And also look at here, scalper has also pointed you to sell the pair in the form of red arrow, and the market is down. And whenever you see that the market is making the bullish pressure from the lower red boundary, then you can buy the pair, and this is how we use the trading system. So guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, then please send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.